irrigation that's going on up here. See, ladies, we got 2019 season that's taking up the coal pit. In 1960, her 97 partner retired in the young 92. 1961, she was sold to an HTC import named Dollywood. From what we do, I covered railways to the Wildwood Grove, man. It's good. He might get ready to that. He does that with the top, he lets that cover down the turn. Find out, Teddy,
Those are really pretty shades of green and blue, aren't they?
Oh, Jiggy, we'll look up there to the left. That's our fireman, Jiggy. We always had him up there. He works awful hard. He actually hand shovels every bit of that coal that goes into that firebox that keeps this engine going there, keeps that water hot so that it can move those wheels, take us up and down the mountain here. On a single day, Klondike Katie can burn up to 5 tons of coal. She can drink up to 5,000 gallons of water. And she can bring upwards to 5,000 people up and down this mountain here. We here at Dollywood are certainly proud of Klondike Katie. We're certainly proud of our firemen and our engineers here. And we hope you all enjoy riding behind this engine as much as we do. And oh, by the way, this engine does operate the very same that she does whenever she was first built way back in 1943.
Wonder how heavy each of those pieces are.
I remember all of them used to be covered up like